we're going to take a SAL color selectable troffolite and swap out the driver that comes with it with a DALI driver. But when we do that, we're going to work out how to actually change the color itself. So with that driver that comes with the unit, there's a little selector that goes from warm white, cool white to daylight. And as the top here, we've got positive, minus, minus. So if I go here on the DC output, let's get my multimeter here. See if we can see that. I've got it, let's go all the way to the warm white, put that in. No. There we go, so we've got 50 volts on -2. And now let's move that, and no volts on -1. Now if I move that over to the middle selection, which should be cool white. Now, when I read the terminals, I've got 50 volts on -1 and 50 volts on -2. So we're actually putting power to both cables, and then pull it all the way across. And now we've got 50 volts on -1 and 0 volts on -2. So really what that means is when we go to connect up this driver, we've got 2 slots. So we can, let's plug that in and see. Now I've got the red and the black connected. So that's giving me 6,000 Kelvin daylight. Then I'll pull out the black, which is one of the negatives. I'll put in the white here. So that's our warm white. So that was with just swapping the negative. Or if I throw both negatives in at the same time, we should be powering both chips on the panel. So I don't know exactly what they've got going on in there, but it looks like they've got 2 sets of chips, a 6,000 Kelvin and a 3,000 Kelvin. And to produce the cool white, which is the 4,000, they're just mixing the two. And that's why you get that change between 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 Kelvin. So here we go. So mix around your negatives to get the color you want when you convert it into the driver. All right, that's how you choose color select manually with cabling.